Hi guys, do you like this gorgeous dress that I made? I was so careful and put a lot of detailed attention in each stitch. Mom said that fine detailed skills like this is such good exercise for your brain. Practicing single point focus helps to sharpen the mind. Mom also challenged her mind by learning a new pattern making software. With this new tool, we have digitalized our patterns and posted them up on our Etsy shop to make it easier for you to get the pattern if you want to sew along with us. The pattern is in PDF format. When you print it out, it's important to choose the actual size. To make sure the size is correct, don't forget to measure the 1-inch test box on the top right corner. Mom has marked clearly on the pattern how many pieces to cut, grain line direction, and so on. I will start with the lining layer. As the side and center fronts curve differently, this is how we pin it in order to correctly match them together. I'm turning 9 in a few months, big enough to use our sewing machine. In miniature sewing, the hardest thing is to control the pedal so that it's walking rather than running, allowing you enough time to turn it around in the small little curve. Don't forget to press the seam open as you work through each step. A spotless dress requires every single step to be perfect. To sew the dart of the back skirt, we always sew from the dart legs to the dart point. Then tie the knot at the end of the dart point. You'll get a very fine darts with this technique. Now when we sew the bodies to the skirt, it's very important to match the side seams together. Pin it to make sure they align. After sewing, trim it down with a zigzag scissors and press it nicely. We do the exact same thing with the main layer bodies and back skirt. The front skirt is a bit different. We'll make some pleats first before sewing it into the back. A simple step to make a dress elegant. This is what I mean when I said press the seam opened. Look how I did it to make the seam perfect. Good. Now we have both layers ready. Let's sew them together, right side facing. Match the waistline, then pin along and sew the skirt edge and neckline. With the curved line like this, it's better to put it on a seam roll to press, and the miniature iron is perfect for doll sewing. After attaching the zipper to the main layer, we sew the central back together, main garment to the main garment, and lining layer to lining layer. Then turn it over and sew the lining to the zipper. Now there's 2 small holes on the side that needs Mom's magical invisible stitches. When I say invisible, I mean you won't spot any stitches on any sides of the garment. That makes it perfect and luxury. Isn't it perfect? Would you like to sew along with us? We have a pattern available and also sewing kits that would have a nice piece of fabric, lining and zipper enough for you to sew this gorgeous dress. And we love to see how yours turn out. Thank you for staying tuned with us. See you next time.